You're suffering from insomnia? Well, I'm a fellow sufferer, and I'll tell you a story of what modern society does to help us not sleep. In my case, it started with my first day of residency. I showed up at 6 o'clock in the morning on a new service. It was cardiothoracic surgery with 24 patients that I've never seen before. That day I had to get to know all of them, run to the operating room, come out, write the notes, take care of the orders, and put out all the fires. This kept on going. I didn't have time to stop or eat until 3 o'clock in the morning. At 3 a.m., I was to review all of their x-rays. There were 24 x-rays, and they were all abnormal because they all had chest surgery. I was sitting there in a dark room, exhausted, thinking, how am I going to do this for the next 7 years? I got myself up and went off and did what I had to do for the rest of the night and then continued on to the next day. This continued day after day for the next 7 years. So obviously, I did not sleep much. And over the years, I learned that I could not sleep. My job required me to be awake at night when other people were asleep. And so I developed insomnia. It's kept me up for years. Over the years, I've adapted several interventions on myself on how to deal with insomnia, and I'm going to share them with you. So follow me on subsequent videos on how to deal with insomnia.